This is your Update 4 on Winter Storm Hunter. The questions on the storm. Where will the storm go? How much snow will fall from it? Where is the storm located and how long will the storm last? Most if not all of these questions will be answered in this video. Enjoy! The information on the storm. Winter Storm Hunter is bringing a big mass of ice and snow in the Tennessee Valley, Ohio Valley, and into the Northeast later on. Here are the current watches, warnings, and advisories. You can see winter weather advisories are in parts of Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Wisconsin, Montana, Michigan, Pennsylvania, New York, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. Winter storm warnings for parts of Vermont, New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Kentucky, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Tennessee. The current radar shows that Hunter is dumping some snow from Ohio westward, and there's also some ice from Canada down to Tennessee, and rain from Maine down to Florida. The wind speeds are pretty gusty. The highest wind speed I see is 30 mile-an-hour gusts reported in Michigan, in 2 spots, and in Illinois. But the winds are pretty gusty everywhere where the storm is for the most part. For Friday, January 12, snow, sleet, freeze, and rain will move east into the Tennessee Valley, the Ohio Valley, and the eastern Great Lakes. Freezing rain may fall in parts of West Virginia, Pennsylvania, upstate New York, and northern New England. Rain will fall as far north as southern Maine, and dangerous travel is expected. For Friday during the day, you can see that rain will fall from Alabama and Georgia, and probably Florida up into Maine. And there will also be a mix and some ice from Ohio down to Mississippi, and some snow from Mississippi up into Michigan. For Friday night, the storm will continue moving east with rain from South Carolina to Maine, a mix and some ice from Maine down to Tennessee, and some snow from Tennessee up into New England and Canada. For Saturday, January 13th, snow will fall in upstate New York and far north in New England. Sleet and freezing rain may fall in the Poconos, Catskills, Hudson Valley, and northwestern New England. For Saturday, you can see that rain will fall from Virginia up into Maine and Nova Scotia. A mix and some ice will fall from Maine down to Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and snow will fall from Virginia up into Maine and Canada. Snowfall forecast. The heaviest snow will fall in the eastern Great Lakes region and the far northern New England areas. Moderate snow will fall in the Ohio Valley, Tennessee, northern Mississippi, Arkansas, and maybe far northern Louisiana. You can see that the heaviest snow will be in northern New England and east of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario, and a decent amount of snow otherwise in other places. Here are the winter storm names of 2017 and 18. We've gone through Aiden, Benji, Chloe, Dylan, Ethan, Frankie, Grayson, and Hunter, and the next name on the list is Inga. If you need more information, you should visit the Weather Channel at the link below. There might be another update on Winter Storm Hunter tomorrow, which will be Saturday, January 13, 2018. Thank you for watching this video and prepare for Winter Storm Hunter.